gosh, you look so good in this filter.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm taking my makeup off. Is it gonna ruin it?
No, oh my gosh, smile. Look at.
Should we send this to my crush?
Yes.
Fuck, period. I thought I was like shit tonight. Now I'm all feeling
You look
good.
so good.
Oh my God.
It's the final brain cell.
There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
Grab a phone. I don't know if she's gonna do anything either. God damn! You got it on snap?
I pet my dog. You see, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. It releases a hormone called oxytocin, which reduces stress. Also, it lowers your heart rate and it lowers your blood pressure. Plus, people who pet their dogs are 5 times more likely to live longer than people who just have cats. Plus, the dogs like it so much, and it's a nice bonding experience. That's right. Good daddy little boy. Daddy little boy.
Oh shit, the border patrol. Fuck, vato. Am I gonna get across? I got an idea, fool. We're crossing this bitch now, is it?
They just wanna ride my way. I'm used to struggling on the better days. Got these haters trying to kill my flame, but I've been grinding, had to turn the page. I got them jumping on the bandwagon. See, I'm jumping on the bandwagon. They on the bandwagon. Got them jumping on the bandwagon. Yeah, watching me on my TikTok and they see me shining. Yeah, all the jewels on my neck, y'all can't do nothing about it. Yeah, brand new whip that's black on black, ain't talking violence. Yeah, when I walk in that room, I got them on funeral silence. Yeah, run up the check, light up the wrist, double the flex. Flooded with diamonds, I got to protect. Stay with the iron, I gotta protect. Bags on me like I'm rookie hazing. Stay drip, don't need occasion. Flow high, but my girl Cajun. I begin get dreams like Wes Craven, oh man. More game, money going like Rogaine. More green like Romaine. About to pull up in a Mulsanne. Supercharged like Bruce Wayne. Kicks fly like Luke Kane. Shout it high like propane. Make a ride the way like
They just wanna
like,
ride my way. I used to struggling on the better days. Got these haters trying to kill my flame, but I've been grinding, had to turn the page. I got them jumping on the bandwagon. Say I'm jumping on the bandwagon. They on the bandwagon. Got them jumping on the bandwagon.